Renewing Vault Azure Auth is a crucial process that ensures continuous authentication and authorization for your Azure resources. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of renewing Vault Azure Auth. First, it is essential to understand the key concepts involved in Vault Azure Auth. Vault is a secrets management tool that securely stores and manages sensitive data such as API keys, passwords, and certificates. Azure Auth is a Vault authentication method that allows users to authenticate with Azure Active Directory. To renew Vault Azure Auth, you need to have a Vault instance set up and configured with Azure Auth enabled. You also need to have an Azure Active Directory tenant and a service principal with the necessary permissions. The first step in renewing Vault Azure Auth is to log into your Vault instance using an existing authentication method. This can be done using the Vault command line interface or the Vault web interface. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure Auth configuration page and click on the Renew button. Next, you need to update the Azure Auth configuration with the new service principal credentials. This includes the client ID, client secret, and tenant ID. You can obtain these credentials by registering a new service principal in Azure Active Directory. After updating the Azure Auth configuration, you need to verify the new credentials by testing the authentication process. You can do this by attempting to log in to your Vault instance using the Azure Auth method. Best practices for renewing Vault Azure Auth include regularly rotating service principal credentials, monitoring authentication logs for any errors or issues, and ensuring that the Vault instance is configured with the latest security patches and updates. In conclusion, renewing Vault Azure Auth is a straightforward process that requires updating the Azure Auth configuration with new service principal credentials and verifying the new credentials by testing the authentication process. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure continuous authentication and authorization for your Azure resources.